Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a business logic vulnerability in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is authentication bypass via encryption oracle. So the lab contains a logic flaw that exposes an encryption oracle to users. And we need to get admin and delete Carlos. We have our own credentials. Pretty sweet. Let's check it out. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing. I always appreciate that. All right, here we go. Let's log in. So we're looking for an encryption oracle. Username Wiener Peter. Stay logged in. That's interesting. Okay, so here's my account. Let's see proxy. HTTP, what happened? So, get a session. Let's see if there's anything interesting here. My accounts. Get login. CSRF, username, password. Here's our post. So we use that session, username, password, stay logged in on. Stay logged in. Look at that. Let's see. That looks like it is base 64 decoder. V code as base 64. Oh, sorry, decode as URL, and then decode as base 64. We don't have that. But what this does do for us is I imagine that this is something encrypted here. What would be encrypted? Let's try changing our email to test, or no, let's do this. Let's log out, clear our sessions, log back in, and see if we get the exact same stay logged in cookie. Okay. So we want delete all. Boom. My account. If we get the exact same, then we know that it is static. Wiener Peter. And then we can start trying to figure out what. Okay. So let's see. Proxy. Post login. That's different. It is definitely different. So not what I expected. Awesome. Decoder. That's the new one. So, sweet. Now what? Let's add blah.com. Update our email. I don't think we've found enough yet. Proxy. Email. CSRF. Sessions. Stay logged in. test comment blah blah at blah.com post. There's our. So what I'm doing is basically, I just don't think we've found everything that we need. I mean, we've got that one thing that does the encryption, but because it's not static, I'm not really sure. CSRF, blah, confirmation. All right. So let's go back to blog. My account. Let's log out. Go to my account. Why didn't stay logged in? Let's try it without it. What happened that time? We just don't get, and that's blank. When did that become blank? Right there. So let's try to exercise that. Log out. We're going to delete all. Home. My account. We're going to log in. Wiener Peter. I'm going to stay logged in. And then we are going to go to home. We're going to delete this session. And go to my account. It worked like it's supposed to. So we logged in. Got a cookie. Let's just copy this over to look at these two have forward slashes there, and not really at the end. That one does not have one there. I don't know if that is important or not. Okay. What was I doing? Oh, I was looking at my account. So here we got, here's where I deleted the session cookie and got this. We got a new session cookie. And then I did get my account with the get my account ID Wiener. Did I do that? How did it figure out? What? When I clicked on the, oh, because right here. How did it know that? Let's try this again. So I'm logged in. I'm going to go to home. I'm going to go delete the session token, right? And then I'm going to refresh this page. That still has ID Wiener. Copy link. Didn't work. But what if I just went to /my-account? That worked. Even though, because git login. Here I didn't have a session. Still don't have a session. Wait, there I have a session. Here I have a session. Wait, what? Get, okay, so I got a new session right here. I wonder if this is somehow encrypting this. Let's do this. Okay. I want to log out. Clear all cookies. And then get a session. This is my session. Copy. Let's just do it without copying. Okay, so then I'm going to go to my account. We're going to go to login. I'm going to do Wiener Peter. Stay logged in. Log in. There. Now, post. We had this session. We got this session in reply and this stay logged in cookie. So let me mark these down. I'm going to do that one and that one. Okay. Move this off screen. And then I'm going to delete. So I'm going to go to home. I'm going to delete my session. Right? I'm going to refresh this page. Now, we have no session. And I'm going to go to /my-account. /my-account. We get here. Stay logged in. We get a different session. Same stay logged in cookie. What the? So how does this stay logged in? It's got to be this. Translate. We need some kind of stay logged in. It's got to encrypt something that changes every time, right? Log out. My account. Wiener Peter. Stay logged in. Log in. It's encrypting something, and it changes every time Is it CSRF? Wiener Peter. I don't know what it could be. Let's send this to repeater and send this again. Crap. Let's if we have the same session, do we get the same logged in cookie? Let's go to /login. And proxy. So we're going to use this, which is a different session. Yeah, this is DZ. Proxy. We get Y. Session goes bad. Wednesday, 1. Flip. I don't know how this one thing is an oracle. We can't tell what gets encrypted, what this encryption string is. And I can't use the same to encrypt it twice to know if it's the session or the CSRF or what the hell this is encrypting. Authentication bypass via encryption oracle that exposes an encryption oracle to the users. It's got to be that stay logged in cookie. But in order for it to be an oracle, we need to know what gets encrypted. Suck. All right. I'm looking at the freaking solution. Freaking again. God, I hate doing this. I'll look at line 1. Damn it. Stay enabled and post. Yeah, and post a comment. Didn't I do that? Proxy. Let me try. Home, my account. What happened when I posted a comment? I didn't see that. Blah. Blah. Blah at blah.com. I didn't think anything special happened. Get post a comment. CSRF post ID. We got, yeah, I don't see that anything. No, I don't think that helped me. So I'm going to go back and look at line 2. Notice that when you try to submit a comment. Ah! Damn it. Back to the blog. Invalid. So leave a comment, blah, name, blah, email, not valid, at com. What? What is it talking about? When you leave an invalid email, let's read that again. Notice when you try to submit a comment using an invalid email address, the response sends an encrypted notification cookie before redirecting you to... All right, well, maybe I... Blah, blah, not valid. Invalid email address. Oh, look at that. Okay. That is an oracle, right? Finally. So now if we put not, so if we do blah, blah, not valid, again, we should get the exact same encrypted contents. So this is XF88 and SHQ. XF88 SHQ. So that is the oracle. Not valid somehow becomes this. Now we need to figure out what we're using this, figure out how to get the stay logged in cookie, which may be a combination of, no, it's not session. What did I decide? CSRF? No. I don't know what it could be. But let's try. Okay, so we're gonna put wiener, blah blah. And see what we get. That one. XF88. What? XF88. That's the same start, different end. Look, here's the old one. %2 FM N24 JN XQH right there. This part changes. What does it change based on? Let's go proxy. When I posted the last, so this was blah blah wien, or that's the new, this one was blah blah wiener. This one was blah blah not valid. So I wonder if part of this is like the, maybe not comment, but name. Let's see. So let's put a really long, let's put, no, we want the comment to stay the same. We want the name to change. So let's do name. And email, we'll do wiener again. All right, boom. XF, so this did not change. And the last part didn't change. None of it. JXD, 3XY, none of it changed. Huh. All right, I'm going to read another line. Notice the error message reflects invalid email address. Your invalid email. Email address. Oh, dang it. No. Ah. Yeah. Shoot. Should have. I don't know if I should have, but this is interesting. Whatever it is. All right, let's go here and get this. Not that. That. Copy. And send this. We're going to send get post 4. Send to repeater. And we're going to change this to this. Send it. And then check out. Look at that. It's time. So it's a username and then the second since whatever. All right. Sweet. All right. Well, So all we need to do is figure out how what the notification encrypts. Oh, the notification encrypts all this crap, or proxy. Get. This is what the invalid email address wiener. That's why part of it was the same. So we need to encrypt using the same encryption the so what if we did like repeater notification. What if we did like this? We put, are we looking for admin? Gaining access to admin portal. It doesn't say what user. Let's try admin. So we're going to do comment, blah, name, blah, admin. And we'll use this same time because it's valid for so long. Post comment. Now, when we have proxy, post comment, notification, copy, 3, and let's go to one of the other ones. This one was what? Invalid email address wiener. Copy. So we pick where right here. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, no. One before. There. And those two. This is where it differs. So then we take this, copy, and put this as, go to repeater, notification here, and send it. See if we get, wait, what? No. Did I do something wrong? This notification header didn't show up for this one. See? So because it's base 64, I can't just cut it. Unless I base 64 decode. Shoot. How do I get encrypt now? That's what I want. I want to encrypt just this text. This is how we can decrypt. We can see it. Now if we encrypt it, How do we encrypt it? We need to encrypt it so we can use it as the crap. All right, I'm going to look at another step. Email parameter of the post request. Is there the email parameter of the post request? Did you say? Okay, wait. Send the post comment. Get post editor. In repeater, observe that you can use the email parameter of the post request to encrypt arbitrary. Set cookie header. Dang it. So it doesn't say where this email parameter of the post request to encrypt. What post request? Set cookie header. So it's got to be the login post request. The login set post request. My account. Log out. Home. My account. Username. Admin. Blah. What is it talking about? In repeater, observe that you can use the email parameter of the post request to encrypt arbitrary data and reflect correspondence. Yeah. Yeah, I did that. Go to the encrypt. Ah. Dang. All right. Well, I didn't get most of this, but whatever. 23. So we need to use hex editor. Copy that times. Go to your encrypt request. Change the email parameter to administrator timestamps. Send the request. All right, let's do this. Repeater. Here's the notification. We get the. So we need administrator proxy. We need let's go here. My account. I don't know if we have to be logged in or not. Cleaner Peter. We'll go update email, or no, we need to go home, view post, and we're going to change blah, blah, administrator, colon, this, copy, post. We're going to grab this proxy, grab this. I'm going to copy that. Decoder AV. And then decode as base64 hex. Oh no, this one. As hex. And then we are going to take and edit this. Wait, what? Hex. To QH right there, right? Yeah, to QH space. This is where? Let me put A, 2, 3, 4, 5. Decode is base 64. And then what do we do? Damn it. Yeah. Okay. URL decode base 64. Switch the message editor's hex tab. Select the first 23 bytes. First 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, there's 16. Duh. 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23. Delete selected bytes. Why did it split up? I don't know, but then we can encode as base 64 and then encode as URL. Never mind. Well, let's try this one. Control C. We'll go to repeater. Paste this. Highlight it and Control U. Send that. See what we get. Nope. Multiples of 16. All right. No problem. So then we need to add on. And from this, it said 9 characters. Which was here. And we do that through tab, reading code and copy result notification. We did this. Yep. Burp repeater. Go back to the encrypt request. It's because, all right, I think I understand. We're in trying to encrypt administrator, what was it? Where did we send it in proxy, right? Here, administrator, colon, and then this, right? Copy. So if we do IPython and then len of this copy, we get 27, and we need multiples of 32. So shouldn't it just be, so 32, 32, 32 minus, not minus 32, 5? Oh no, because we got to account for the other characters, 23 characters. Invalid prefix. You need to pad the invalid prefix with enough bytes so that the number of bytes you will remove is a multiple of 16. By adding 9, then that 23 becomes 32, which is a multiple of 16. Okay. So we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. And then encrypt this. Boom. Go here. Blah, blah. That's post. And we go to here. Okay, we get this one. We copy this. And then suck. And use, it can be 6. Ciphertext. Delete 32. That's right. Decoder. V. Decode as base 64 hex. Is that right? Proxy. FQQ. Yeah, this is right? Because this has that FQQX, whatever. Decoder. Yep, that's right. Okay, now we delete 32. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's 16, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 16. 32. Delete selected bytes. Encode as base 64. Take this. Go here. No, go repeater. Control V. I said Control V. Control U. Send it. And yeah. Boom. Copy. Home. Let me put this here, save it, and trash that one here. Yeah, looks good. / my dash account. Oh, we can already see admin panel. Ha! All right. That's interesting. This is going to be toughy to ID. Yes. All right. How are we going to build this script? I do not know. Copy link. Python utils create script there. All right. So we're going to run this, paste, and we're going to vim authentication bypass via encryption Oracle. So what's the steps we need to do? One, we need to figure out the timestamp, the correct timestamp. So one, we need to, why is this taking so long? There we go. Log in as Wiener with, what is it? Save login or whatever. Stay logged in. Stay logged in. 2, post comment with email equal to the stay logged in cookie. 3, extract timestamp from response. Why am I doing this? It's a good question. How long is that cookie good for? Session notification is that. What is proxy? How long is the stay logged in cookie? Well, do I really want, like, you know, a year down the road for this script to stop working? That's pretty funny. Do I care at that point? What I'm looking for over here is a stay logged in, a set cookie with a stay logged in. I guess I could go like this. Expiration, no expiration. I'm going to do it. I'm going to extract. I'm going to do it the hard way. Extract the time stamp from the response. Once we've got the timestamp, we need to encrypt. We need to make blog post comment with email as this. Copy. Paste. Come on, man. Paste. And this is where the timestamp is going to go. Once we do that, 5, we are going to extract, get the notification cookie and do some magic. That magic is 6. We need to URL decode, base 64 decode, delete 32 bytes, base 64 encode, URL encode. 7, set as stay logged in cookie. 8, visit admin page. Oh, and we can just copy link. We can just do this. Or we can do, I think we have one actually, delete Carlos. Okay. Let's freaking do this. Log in as Wiener with stay logged in. So we want blog.log in. I don't know. Utils site login. All right. We need to obviously change that Wiener Peter because we need stay logged in. Let's go to the beginning. Get login. Get login, post login. Stay logged in on. So we're going to add one here. Stay logged in equals. We'll do it, start it out with false, so normally we don't. And then when we getting login page, check for boom, data equals right here. If stay logged in, data stay, something like that, right? But dashes. Logged in equals on. If stay logged in, then we add data stay logged in to on. Perfect. Stay logged in equals trail. Let's just go that far. Proxy. Login. We got stay logged in is on. And we got that cookie. So now we need to make sure we have it here. Resp cookies equals this log.info cookies. Let's just go like that. Session, stay logged in. Perfect. All right. Login is Wiener and stay logged in. Post comment with email. Don't we have in blog a post comment? Get post comment. There we go. So we want blog.post comment. We'll need to give it the post ID. So let's post ID equals 1. Post ID. I'm going to close this one. Comment we don't care about. Name we don't care about. Email is what we care about. So let's do email equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh. Extract timestamp. Post comment with stay logged in cookie. No. This is what we need to do. Sorry. We need to get this decryptor we need to get post with a cookie blog.get post ID, comma, and I need to make get post cookies. Yep. Cookies equals cookies and we're going to make one called notification equals, and in this one we are going to make it the same. Wait, what? Post comment with we've got stay logged in. Post comment with email equals stay logged in cookie. Oh. Okay. Equals cookies dot stay logged in, right? Log dot info cook. Oh, right here. I have it over here. Stay dash cookies stay logged in. All right. And then we post that. Get post, post comment. Do we need, we don't need get post. All right, let's try that much. I'm confusing myself, so I need to break this down a little. Comment posted successfully. Now we need to get the post ID. So we need blog.get post ID. Wait, what? Why do we need this? We just need this, right? For now, because right now we're trying to decrypt. Yeah, and get the timestamp. Okay, so let's do, gosh, see, I told you I'm confusing myself. Log.info resp.text resp equals, we're looking for a Wiener. Well, we can just do, it would be above this, like right through here. Here we go. It's on a, we can just do, we know it's Wiener. Okay, so we can do timestamp equals blog.extract text. The pattern is Wiener colon dot asterisk question mark, boom, and then a space. Well, we can do just copy everything from here to here. Boom. Pattern, and then the text is resp.text. Log.info dt time stamp. Come on. There's the timestamp. Perfect. We've got the timestamp. We need to make a blog post comment to email 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 administrator, boom, timestamp, like that. Resp equals that. Log.info resp.cookies. I think that's right. No. Let's see. Proxy. Post comment. We are posting it so that we get the notification. Resp. What is it? Info. Let's. I can't believe I forgot. Log.info. Well, let's get that. Isn't it like. What the hell? This doesn't look right at all. What does post comment return? Blog, post comment. It doesn't return anything. Why? Why wouldn't you return the resp? Doesn't it just make sense? Return resp. Makes a lot more sense to me. I don't know who wrote this freaking function, but man, they were hum. Okay, now we can do dot cookies. See? See? If only the person that wrote that was as smart as I am. Log.info resp.cookies. And then with that, they should be able to get the notification cookie right there. So we got notification cookie equals resp.cookies.get and notification log.info notification cookie. All right. Make sure we have it, right? And then we can move on. Boom. There we go. There's the notification cookie. Whew. All right. with the notification, we need to URL decode. So let's do, it's going to complain if I don't do it here, from URL lib.parse import unquote. Okay, unquote notification cookie. And then we want base 64. Import base 64. Base 64.b64 decode this dot encode that dot let's just log this. Let's save it. What should we name it? Magic? We'll name it magic. Log.info magic. Let's see where we're at. Okay, so now we should be able to delete 32 bytes. It is a byte string. So if we do magic, boom, 32 to the end, I don't know if 32 is right. Does that look right? That looks pretty good to me, actually. I'm saying we did it. We need to base 64. Log.info. Base 64.encode. B64 encode. This URL. Wait, what? Boom. Let's not log this. Let's call this magic enhanced equals this. And then we'll quote it. Oh, we need to B64 encode. I don't think we need to. Let's just try quote this and quote. Let's blog. What am I doing? No, let's log.info magic enhanced. See what we get. Okay. That looks pretty good to me. Set as stay logged in cookie. Ooh. We are getting so cookies equals a dictionary with stay logged in as magic enhanced. I love that variable name. And then we are going to do blog.get response blog.base URL plus admin cookies equals cookies. Resp equals log.info resp.text. Let's see, freaking did we get it? Oh, no. We did not get it. Something did not work. Let's check. Let's send this to our decryptor. This. Copy to our decryptor, which is this. Let's see what we got. Administrator. That's exactly it. Do you think there's like extra... What the heck? I don't know what's going on here. Let's do timestamp equals strip. I don't know. Maybe strip. Isn't that, how do we strip? How do you remove administrator timestamp? What's wrong with this? Proxy. Oh, maybe we actually need to get a session before we can go to my account. That may be it. All right, so let's try resp equals blog dot my dash account. Sure. We'll leave the other one. Oh, that one won't work because we need to get the new cookies. These last couple have been long ones. Get what? It's not accepting this. Get my account. Cookie stay. Oh, it's freaking. That's wrong. Wow, I would have had. I am fairly lucky I found that because I could see that taking me down and tearing me apart trying to figure it out. Wow. It's one of those. Look at that. Gosh, dang it. Okay, so we want, did our request to, yeah, we can just get admin. We don't have to get account. And then, where's the site delete Carlos? What do we need? We need cookies. So we want, blog.delete. Brain stopped working. Delete Carlos. Cookies equals cookies. Blog.is solved. And then here we need to add in, so cookies equals resp.cookies, right? That way we get the freaking session. All right, I think that's it. Let's try it. Disappointed I didn't figure this one out. It is kind of tough. So I'm not super disappointed. Lab is solved. Whoop whoop. What up now, son? All right. That's it. If you, so we essentially used part of the page, and it was this email or the comment notification, which encrypted. If you put in an email address that was incorrect, it encrypted the notification and then showed that on the page. We used that as the oracle to first decrypt the session so we understood what it looked like, and then 2, to encrypt our own cookie so that we could log in as administrator. That was it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.